Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike YouTube channel. Previous video I discussed about how to track page view for Facebook. Today's video I will discuss about how to track Facebook view content. Firstly, we need to know what is view content. View content means any visitor visit your website, then view any product. That's called view content. Let's search this video how to track Facebook view content. Firstly, we need to know what type of parameter need for Facebook event. This event must contain a specific parameter help to match items on your website to items in your catalog. View content parameter, content type, content IDs, contents. Contents means content IDs, contents. This type of parameter needs for Facebook event manager. So let's start. This is my document, Facebook pixel web conversion tagging. This is all type of parameter is here. Then variables here. Let's start this video. Firstly, we need to copy our website URL. Then go to Google Tag Manager preview. Then click preview. Then paste website URL. Then connect. This is my demo website. Then scroll down, view any product. View any product. If I check Google Tag Assistant debug view, then click view item. Then go to data layer. These products, everything is here. If I check product currency, product value, product item, product item IDs, items names, SKU, price, everything is here. This is for data layer. Then if I check API call, everything is here. Then I need to track. Item ID, item names, content type, content IDs, content names, everything. Firstly, go to variables. Then click new. Then click pencil icon. Then go to data layer variable. I want to make a variable. Firstly, I want to track item ID. Then item ID under e-commerce items. Then item ID. Then copy items e-commerce. Paste here. Then dot. Then items. Then dot. Third bracket means 0 dot. Then item name, item ID. Copy. Then paste. Then given a name like this name, TLB item ID. Then paste here. Then save. I need to create second item ID. Then copy this. Then click new. Data layer variable. Given the name. Name same as item ID. Copy e-commerce. Then paste dot. Then items. Then dot 0 dot item name. Then paste here. Save. Next, item price. Then copy this. Then click new, pencil icon. GTM ID, then copy here this. Everything is here like this. E-commerce items dot zero dot price. Then click save. Last, I need to currency. Copy this. Then click new pencil icon. Then data layer variable. Then paste here. Then copy this. Then paste here. Currency e-commerce dot currency. Then click save. Variables already created. Done. I need to create a constant variable for Facebook dataset ID. Copy this ID. Then go to new, then pencil icon, and scroll down to find out constant. Then paste pixel ID or dataset ID, given a name, FB pixel ID. Then click save. My user defined variable create done. Then go to text. Then go to new pencil icon. Then find out Facebook pixel. Then given your pixel ID. Click here. Then find out Facebook pixel ID. This is pixel ID. Then click standard find out view content. Then scroll down. This is no need for this time. Then type parameter. Property name. Then go to this sheet. Event name. Paste here. Event name. View content. Sorry. Content. Content type. Content type product. If you have any questions, please comment the comment box. Content type, content IDs. Value. Then need currency. So I need to content name variable. Then click here. Scroll down. Content name. Then need content IDs. Click here. Content IDs. Content IDs means item IDs. Value. Value means price. Then currency. Currency means product currency. Then triggering need to triggering. Then go to data layer variable. Then event name items underscore view underscore items. This is variable. Need to create variable. Again, click here. Then click plus icon. Then a pencil icon. Then custom event. Paste here. And given a name. FB view item trigger. And click save changes. Then given a name. FB view content specs. Then click save. Then preview. Click preview button. then go to website, then click any product your website. If I click Meta Pixel Helper, view content, product item IDs, content name, content type, USD, content event name, content value, everything is here. If I check Google Tag Manager debug view, everything is here. Everything is here. So text setup is done. Thank you for watching this.